On this journey to connecting to your own true self, ask yourself, who are you? Often we identify ourselves with our relationships. I am XYZ's wife. I am XYZ's daughter or son. I am XYZ's husband. I am father or mother to so and so. How many of us really stand up for our own identity? All of us, whether man or woman, are always busy doing things for others. We forget that this life is ours. We forget that we burn ourselves out so much just to make someone else happy. Why is it so? Have we ever found time enough only for ourselves without having to worry about what's happening around us, who is around us, what are our children doing, what is our husband or wife doing? So much of work, what is pending, what is not. How many of us really find that time? Have we closely looked at ourselves? Have we seen our inner beauty? We wake up every morning to look at ourselves in the mirror. But have we really peeped inside the beautiful soul that each one of us are? Have we sat quietly to listen to our inner voice? We hear all the chitter chatter around us, but often miss out on listening to our own selves. Do we really know who we are? Do we know the purpose, the reason why we are here? Do we really value our existence? Or have we become machines to just go on and on in our daily routine? The same routine, wake up in the morning, cook for our children, cook for our family, go to work for them, earn money, come back tired, drained, exhausted, eat, sleep. Monotonous life, isn't it? How many of us have really discovered our path? Why are we here? Why have we taken birth? This is the chance for you to discover, or rather rediscover, the lost you. We all have grown from little girls and boys to adults. Often in our journey from our childhood until now, we are so tied up in relationships. We are so lost in the race of life. We are so lost in enjoying the world that we have forgotten about connecting with our own world, which is within us. Each one of us is a ball of energy, but what we live is completely at a physical level. It's so very important not to work on yourself, but to connect with your own self. Today, my attempt is going to be to encourage you to connect with your own inner self. The lockdown, yes, has indeed been an eye-opener for many. It has come as a blessing for many. It's given us an opportunity to connect with our own selves. It's given us an opportunity to spend quiet time in solitude. Else we are always running. For some reason or the other, we find excuses to run. Move here, there, do things for others, and we prioritize ourselves last. Isn't it? If you don't connect with yourself, if you don't prioritize yourself, Are you going to live a healthy life ahead? Your body will wear out completely. As children, we have grown to be innocent, so full of love, unconditional love. Today, we look out for unconditional love from people, but we have a condition set before that. I want a guy who can love me unconditionally, but he has to be good looking, he has to earn well, he has to have a secure job, and our conditions go endless, right? Every parent wants this for their children as well. I see a lot of seniors here, so I say that. We want unconditional love full of conditions. Is that fair? And then when we don't get it, what does it bring to us? Heartbreaks, disappointment, pain. And we don't like it, right? None of us wants to be in that pain. We don't like it. But what do we do to heal ourselves? Your best friend betrayed you. And you will just not do much about it. You let it go. अगर जिंदगी में एक बार धोखा मिलता है, हम उससे क्या करते हैं? हम उसे हील नहीं करते हैं. We just move on. हम सिर्फ इसी चीज पे फोकस करते हैं कि नेक्स्ट क्या करना है, व्हाट्स नेक्स्ट. जब कोई हमसे झूठ बोलता है, हमें बहुत दुख होता है. बट व्हाट डू वी डू? Do we try to identify why are people cheating on us? Why are things not going right? Why is my income not coming in the way I want? क्यों पैसे आते आते रुक जाते हैं? बिजनेस का डील होते होते थम जाता है? क्यों रिलेशंस बनते बनते बिगड़ जाते हैं? हम सोचते ही नहीं हैं इन सब चीजों के बारे में. हमें बस दौड़ना है. We just have to keep moving on. Today, I want you to sneak peek into your own true self. अपने अंदर आज हम झांक के देखेंगे और ये जानने की कोशिश करेंगे कि एक्चुअली हमारे अंदर की स्थिति क्या है. What is our state within? Okay, I'm going to take you through a piece of meditation. So I want you all to sit comfortably with your back straight. Close your eyes. Feel completely relaxed. Take a deep breath in, focusing on your breath. Slowly center yourself and close your eyes. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. As you breathe in, tell yourself, I'm here to connect with my inner self, my inner child. I'm here to connect with the inner me, the baby me. As you exhale, release all your tensions, all your stress. Just let it out as you exhale. Inhale and exhale. Focusing on your breath. Move down to your heart and visualize yourself standing in front of it. See it beat. Open the door of your heart and call out for the younger you. Say, knock, knock. Are you there, home, little Pari? Knock, knock. Are you there, home, little Preeti? Take your name and say it. Knock, knock. Are you there, little Shrishti? I wish to see you. I wish to meet you. Observe what is your inner child doing in there. Is she happy? Is she crying? Is she jumping out of joy? Is she scared? Is she smiling or is she frowning? आपके अंदर की प्यारी सी जो नन्ही परी है, जो बच्ची है, जो छोटा सा लड़का है उस दिल के अंदर, उसे बाहर बुलाइए। और देखिए, ऑब्जर्व कीजिए कि वो क्या कर रहा है या क्या कर रही है। क्या उसके चेहरे पे मुस्कुराहट है या वो डरा हुआ है या डरी हुई है? क्या वो खुशी से उछल कूद रहा है या उछल कूद रही है? या वो सहमी हुई सी या सहमा हुआ सा एक कोने में बैठा हुआ है? उन्हें अपने पास बुलाइए। Call your little child to yourself and visualize yourself hugging the inner you. एक प्यारी सी झप्पी full of love. Call them and give them a hug. Tell your inner child, thank you. Thank you for being there. Tell your inner child, I love you. मैं आपसे बहुत बहुत प्यार करता हूँ या मैं आपसे बहुत बहुत प्यार करती हूँ। अपने इनर चाइल्ड को महसूस कीजिए। आपके इनर चाइल्ड को कहिए, आई एम सॉरी, आई एम सो सॉरी फॉर ट्रबलिंग यू, फॉर नॉट पेइंग अटेंशन टू यू। आई एम सो वेरी सॉरी फॉर इग्नोरिंग यू। अपने आप से माफ़ी मांगिए, अपने आप को इग्नोर करने के लिए, नज़रअंदाज करने के लिए क्षमा मांगिए। से आई एम वेरी वेरी सॉरी। अपने इनर चाइल्ड को कहिए, आई एम विद यू ऑलवेज। आई प्रॉमिस टू टेक केयर ऑफ यू हियर ऑन। अब से मैं वादा करती हूँ कि जो मेरी इनर अंदर की आवाज़ है, जो इनर वॉइस है, उसे मैं सुनूंगी। जो मेरे शरीर की ज़रूरतें हैं उससे मैं ध्यान दूंगी। आई विल नॉट इग्नोर माई बॉडी, आई विल नॉट इग्नोर माई इनर सेल्फ, माई इनर वॉइस। आई प्रॉमिस टू टेक केयर फ्रॉम दिस मोमेंट ऑन। Give your inner child a beautiful smile. Ask them if they want to tell you something. Take a few moments and ask your inner child, क्या आप मुझसे कुछ कहना चाहते हैं? I am here to listen to you. क्या आप मुझसे कुछ कहना चाहते हैं? Now, give your inner child a warm hug and tell her or him, I'll be back soon. उनसे कहिए मैं वापस आऊंगी, मैं वापस आऊंगा आपसे बात करने के लिए, आपसे मिलने के लिए. Promise that to your inner child. Give it a warm hug and slowly, gradually close the door of your heart. As you close the door of your heart, come back into a state of awareness. Pay attention to your breathing. Wiggle your toes, wiggle your fingers. And whenever you're ready, slowly, gradually open your eyes with a broad smile on your face. Take a deep breath in and out. Meditation is a way of connecting with your true inner self.